Oh wow, look at this.
Wow.
Yeah, boy. Okay, so we just boarded the Azura in Tenerife, and well, last time I was here there was a lot more of this rather than this. Both absolutely buzzing, so let's set sail, let's check it out.
Maybe I don't wanna know the way home. Taking on a journey, I got places to go. Wanna chase a miracle, it's possible. You just gotta open the door. Darling, it's cold out there. Don't fear the road, just come along with me. You're not alone out there. Let's write a song, wake up the melody.
Jan, we're going to do the toboggan ride. You ready to go? Not ready to go? You're ready to go?
Yes.
Let's do it. Day 3 in Madeira. We're on the Stairway to Heaven hike. It's pretty amazing. So let's look at the view around us. Absolutely nuts.
Let's write a song, wake up the melody. If you're looking for me, baby, you know you can find me. Follow the sun. Somewhere running up my heartbeat. I don't look behind me. Follow the sun. Follow the sun.
Second day on shore. It's been great up until about 10 minutes ago when well, the heavens have opened, so going for a nice warm shower. Let's go. Hey, good morning. It's shore day number 3.
Number 3.
We had some unfortunate news last night, whereas due to a storm our volcano trek and actually the whole port in the Palma has been cancelled.
That's it.
So we come here instead to Gran Canaria.
Ooh,
which will be fun.
Yeah.
Don't fear the road, just come along with me. You're not alone.
Hey, good morning. It's our final shore day and we've got back to Tenerife.
Yeah.
So we're going to Playa de las Gaviotas, right?
Yeah.
It's a black sand beach and it's also a nudist beach, but
Ew.
definitely be doing any of that, will we?
Absolutely not.
Absolutely not. But yeah, let's make the most of it and fly home tomorrow. Let's go.